Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to find device unlock, scroll and find face and fingerprint unlock. Now let's tap on the fingerprint and tap on agree. We have to enter our screen lock to confirm everything. If you do not have your screen lock, your device will ask you to add it right now. So now we've got the instructions, so all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button for device on the right side. So all you have to do is to simply put it like that, and now do it actually multiple times in order to add your fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, so change the position. Alright, we've got it, so let's tap on done. I don't want to, and here we've got the whole fingerprint management. Here we've got the finger we just added, we can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint. Here you can also manage the option fingerprint for hidden apps quick start. However, be aware that you can use it if you will have more than one fingerprint added. Here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, so screen unlock, which is set by default, app lock and private safe. Here you can decide what you want to do after unlocking your device, whether you want to come back to or open the home screen after unlocking, or open the thing on which you've blocked your device. The method of unlocking: light touch, which means that you have to simply put your finger on the sensor; firm touch, which means that you have to put it and then press it. So it's totally up to you. I prefer this light touch, and all we have to do right now is to simply check whether it is working. So let me lock the device, and now let me put my finger on the sensor. So let me do it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.